Hello everyone, this is Lakshmi and welcome to the Zunzum series. Today I am going to teach you a song about honeybees. Do you like honeybees? Yes, and this song is one of the finger play songs. Do you know finger play songs? Finger play songs means we can act this song with our fingers. Here is the beehive, but where are all the bees? Hiding away where nobody sees. Here they come flying out of the hive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Zzz. Flying above. Zzz. Flying below. Zzz. Flying fast. Zzz. Flying slow. Zzz. Buzz to the left. Zzz. Buzz to the right. Bzzz. Buzz all day but sleep at night. Here is the beehive, but where are all the bees? Hiding away where nobody sees. I hope you enjoy this song. See you again with some other song. Until then, bye bye. This is Zunzum series.